And yeah guys, in today's video we'll be installing the new air conditioning system here. It's LG 3.5 horsepowers. I paid for it 750 euros together with installation. So today's the day that installment guys come and they will install this outer unit. It's a double split system, A++ for cooling, so low energy consumption, which will save money on electricity. And yeah, this outer unit I'll put on the balcony because I live on the 7th floor of a tall building, so they cannot put it outside. And yeah, the small thingy will go on my wall here inside of my living room. So this was the box, the air conditioner that came. I don't know, does it say the model and stuff? Maybe down there. Yeah, with lots of not really important stuff. Does it say the model there? Well, if you turn it around, you'll see the model. Yeah, W1 2T1UEU. That's the model of the air conditioning unit there. As I said, 750 euros, including installation. Split unit, 3.5 horsepower. And it also does the heating, but heating is only A+, so it's not the best low consumption thingy. But yeah, you can also use it in the winter for heating. But of course, heating with electricity is more costly here in the EU. Anyway, waiting for the guy to show up today to install it. And I'll see you maybe when he shows up or after he installs it. And it's ready for the inner unit to be installed here. You put a big hole out there to go on the balcony for the inverter or outer unit. Yeah. And this is the place on the balcony where the inverter will come here, up there. Then we'll put some hose into a plastic bucket that will go out of the balcony, because if we put it directly outside it would go and ruin the facade of the building. So we'll just put it in a plastic canister, the condense from the outer unit. Yeah? And the installation of AC is completed. Let's have a look how it looks like. There we go. The LG air conditioner. He also did like this shaft for the electricity. It goes behind the closet to the socket down there. I'll have to move the couch back here, and yeah, it's barely visible. So this is the inside unit. As I said, 3.5 horsepower, A++ energy level. So I think it's good. Now let's have the look on the balcony, on the inverter, and on the balcony, the outside unit. Of course, the window has to be opened because it's bloody hot here. So another LG. Oh, bloody hot. And the last part of the AC is, of course, the remote control. So I put it on 21 degrees Celsius. I still don't know though how to set the clock over there, the watch. But okay, I guess I have to check the manual and we'll do that. So it has dual sensing, which I basically don't know what it means, but okay. Power off, power on button, light off button, mode, temperature you can set up and down. Then we can regulate fan speed. Then we have energy saving if we want to save a few euros or dollars. Then we have jet mode if we want to cool down the place very fastly. Then we have swing, you control this outer hatch, so it swings up and down. Then we have swing left and right. And then we have room temperature. And then we have, you can set up sleep timer and different functions here. Set cancel, set up and down. And that's basically it from the control unit. There you go. So we have to read the manual to know more functions. Yeah. Yeah. This has been the installation of the AC unit, and this summer Big Joe will be cool. So will Mr. Hachiko. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. Yeah, till next time. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. And the next one, guys.